What about my people? Dancehall skilla here again. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so Dancehall Skilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard. See? Alright, so I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this audio, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talked about the police force within the country of Jamaica and about certain incidents and or situations that happen within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. So may I say to you, now the person made some allegations in this audio that I'm about to present to you. So I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in this audio are accurate or not. I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in this audio is true or not. So based on what you are about to hear the person say in this audio, I would like you to tell me what you think. I would like you to listen carefully to the words that the person say in this audio and tell me if you think anything that the person said in the audio is true or not true. You can tell me if you think anything that the person said in the audio is accurate or not accurate. You can also tell me what you think overall about everything that the person say in the audio. Viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this audio. So before I present this audio to you, this is a warning that some of the words that you are about to hear in this audio are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Bernie, the police force have the intel, have the intelligence of these things. There's a particular set of men who sign treaty, men from different gang divide and political divide who sign a treaty with general to start do them things here, and they have literally weave their way into the internal operations of guardsman with general, because the guardman and their guards are not sitting well coming out of the court ruling the other day, because they still don't want to pay the people them outstanding bumper money, and them still want to put them on one last ditch 2-year contract same way before them take them on and staff. So because of that, the men are vulnerable, they are susceptible to corruption, and if a man buy them and can get the fleet information and the movement of the fleets them will carry money with general. This is something that the man them have, and the man them not sit down police class down for clad intelligence, all they can do a clad execute road traffic clad accident, can rake in clad revenue, and at the same time the gangs are left to feel clad confident so they can carry out the daylight attack down at Pines and look further up the road, even closer to the police divisional headquarters. You can carry out a brazen thing like this, and the response not start yet, take place. So obviously in other countries some things are not priority. If you don't notice, say the only crime we are going and the murder, it is not a talking point in terms of how the government are operating. I mean, now coming off GLP PNP argument, may I come with just a national security crisis we find ourselves in, but it seems as though a team or a delegation going to Haiti is far more important when we are becoming little Haiti. It's like that demand them now see. Bernard, you said rightfully. They have the might, to can take on police, but the only difference is that because it now will be treated as an attack on the states, then you can call in internal external forces now, like you call for aid from US and them people. You understand? We ultimately go overpower the man. But at the end of the day, it is a deadly thing going on right now in another country. Everybody are turning a blind eye to turn to things.
My people, a lot of what that person said in that audio are allegations. But at the same time, some of the things that the person said in the audio really raises concern. You understand? Little 80. Turn a blind eye. You see what I say? Them things there are some things that really raises my concern. My people, are full time for something be done about the level of crime and violence we are going in Jamaica. And to be honest, I think that this person basically did a vent. So the vent mean like a person attack and say certain things, just give opinions and point of views and get certain things out of that person's mind and out of his mind and so forth. You understand me? It's like the person a vent at a mind point of view, because you have quite a number of people in Jamaica who are concerned about the level of crime and violence we are going in Jamaica, I mean, I understand how certain approach make towards the crime and violence situation. See me I say? I tell you, one time somebody look at me and tell me say Bruce Golding did one good job. And to be honest, me I look at certain things and I say, John, a lot of people blame Bruce Golding saying he do certain things, but at the same time, some people say, oh, he need clean up Jamaica. Jamaica, certain things, me don't know. You see me, it's set away. Some people would like to tell me what you think about the level of crime and violence in Jamaica. You see me, I say, yeah, my people. See, because a whole heap of videos me see out there with some terrible level of crime and violence. You see me, I say, since year alone, 2 separate incidents where they said that gunmen attacked security guards. All them little thing there, you know, it just set away, you know. Some people would like to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person saying in that audio. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when someone takes something from off a motor vehicle. What the person had done is considered as stealing viewers and subscribers. The video shows when someone pulled off or somewhat might have ripped off something that is a part of a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And I want you to take a look at the video and tell me what you think. I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. The video is not really a long video, but I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Alright? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look at that, my people. That's totally not right at all. That's unfair. Work for what you want. Some people, let me know what you think about that situation right there. So what I'm saying to you, totally unfair, you know. Now, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least 2 persons. Yes, I said at least 2 persons because sometimes certain things happen before and after a video will be recorded. You see? So, the video shows someone arguing with a person who was sitting inside of a motor vehicle. And one of the reasons why this video is being talked about on social media is because of the way how at least one person who you can see in this video was behaving. See? I got unconfirmed information as to what started the confrontation, viewers and subscribers, but I'm not going to say it in the video. I would rather ask me in the comment section of the video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible. Alright? Depending on what you ask or what you want to know. Alright, so I would like you to look at the video and tell me what you think about the behavior of a person who you can see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it is best to walk away from some types of confrontation. It is best overall to walk away from hostile confrontations. You see me I say, because sometimes these kind of situations can end up very bad for you and other person or others. It depends. You see me I say. Alright, so here I'm going to leave the video with you. Let me know what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Here's the video. Observe.
Dave drive wrong naman. Minay with this.
Video? Zoom in, yeah, zoom. Zoom in. You're supposed to lock him out here, sir. Can I knock him out here, sir?
peacemakers them.
Yeah, but